Nobody ever asks me, but I'm always happy to tell you about the worst phone I've ever owned, the LG G4. This thing came out, I don't even care when it came out, it was awful. It has the 808 processor, which overheats. This thing gets scaldingly hot, and it eventually heats itself to death. So we're gonna probably kill it. We're gonna kill it. I'm thinking, phone gets hot. What is the opposite of hot? Cold. What's the most cold we can do? Liquid nitrogen? So we're gonna dump this thing in some LN2 and see if it dies. So y'all wanted to see clickbait. Here it is. So we actually got a hold of some liquid nitrogen on this channel. And we're just looking for any excuse to use it, honestly. So, I got the dead phone, soon to be dead phone, and a paint tray we found in the back of the shop. So I've got the webcam, or the front camera recording, and let's just see how long it goes before it dies.
Ooh. Spicy cold juice.
And here we go.
Holy crap, it's lasting longer than I thought it would.
Oh my lord.
Wow. I mean, I think it's fully submerged.
Yeah, it is.
That's crazy.
Is it still recording?
Yeah, it looks like it's still going.
What's that about your camera?
Oh yeah, the camera's still recording.
Yeah. So quick note, when you're working with liquid nitrogen, make sure in a well-ventilated area. All this fog has no air, no oxygen in it. You will get sleepy. Oh wow, yeah, that's bowed out.
How do you take a phone screen off?
So the nice thing about liquid nitrogen is there's no risk of fire. There's no air.
There's no oxygen.
Well, there's no oxygen. There's plenty of
to burn.
air. Oh my lord. What's that white? Is that the laminate?
Yeah, it's gotta be. It's like the screen is peeling upwards, so the LN2 is getting underneath it. Not gonna lie, liquid nitrogen stays around a lot longer than I thought it would.
Yeah, no. I didn't expect you to see it like as a liquid for this long.
It's the time we pull it out of there.
You just leave it till it dies, till it runs out. Or you can pull it out, I guess. I think it's done at this point.
Grab it with a pair of pliers.
Yeah.
Give me it. It's like a solid. I'll flip it over, see what the back looks like.
Yeah.
Hard to grab it when it's so icy. Come on. Interesting.
Huh.
The camera lens fell off.
Yeah, there's a bit of it right there.
Yeah. I think that is the lens.
Oh.
I think it's all of it. Not the lens. Can you peel it?
Oh my lord. iFixit, eat your hearts out.
You want to take it to an iFixit?
You fix, I break.
Yeah, Geek Squad, someone. Hey, I dropped my phone
Some LN2.
with some fluid and now it won't turn on. Some really cold.
Dropped it in some clear fluid, but it wasn't water. I don't know what it was. It kind of bubbled.
What is this?
It's the actual panel, I think.
This?
Backlight, at least.
Maybe.
Might just be the backlight.
Yeah.
Yeah, it could be the screen, and that top part could be the polarizer.
I think it might be dead Zax.
Yeah. You're not getting a display out anymore.
Why wouldn't I?
I don't know, maybe.
I think I just need to wait for it to thaw. It might turn back on. I don't know.
Alright, so we're back. It's warmed up. We actually put it in the oven because we're impatient. We wanted to dry it out. We stuck the screen back on. Good as new. So let's see if it turns on. Please don't turn on. I just want to throw you in the trash. It turns on.
It worked. You think it still has our video saved?
Oh my lord.
You think it saved the video?
I don't know if it saved the video, but she's alive. Oh. The camera lens fell off, so I stuck it back on. We'll see if the camera works. Oh my lord. It's got paint chips stuck all over the panel.
You think the touchscreen will work?
I didn't even think about that.
I mean, we just stuck it back together the way that it was.
Yeah, I mean, phones have onions, or layers. Like ogres.
Ogres.
I mentioned how much I hate this phone. It's so slow to turn on. It feels like it has a mechanical hard drive in it. Android is starting, boys. I can't.
Like, we stuck it in liquid nitrogen.
We
We cryogenically treated the phone.
The touchscreen works.
Oh my god!
No SIM card.
Yeah, okay. But the camera saved the video.
I don't think so. It's thinking. She's definitely thinking. Cannot play this video.
It can't play the video?
No.
Is a file saved there, though?
There's reference to a file, yeah.
Oh.
I can't get over this. It turns on. It works.
I didn't think that it would.
I mean,
That phone's not.
the speaker works. Like, I mean, the camera. Does the rear camera work? Oh god. It's smudged. Oh. WhatsApp doesn't stop talking.
Yeah, it's all blurry.
Finally a camera that I look good in. I'm honestly just in awe. I'm literally in awe right now. This is a phone that breaks just from being used as a phone. But you can throw it in LN2 and it just kind of laughs at you. If you'd been more careful, it would have been fine. You know, Gab said it might work, and you gotta stop being right, dude.
I lose all of the competitions. I'm right everywhere else. What can I say?
Gab's like, it's technically hardware. This is my world. So, yeah, there's your clickbait, everyone. Can a phone survive liquid nitrogen? The answer might surprise you. Yeah, that's it. You guys want more clickbait garbage? You know, let us know, and we'll swallow our pride and maybe make more. But yeah, you guys like the video? Let us know. Comment, subscribe, check out our Discord where you can throw more ideas or harass me about my terrible phone. And yeah, we'll see you around. I can't believe this worked. Yeah, what the hell?
Science.